The figure above shows the graph of a polynomial function h. Which of the following could define h? Okay, so it's just giving me a bunch of polynomials, not allowed to use a calculator, so this is the no calculator version. What I have is a cubic, because I have one bump, two bumps. Since it starts from the top and ends at the bottom, my leading coefficient has to be negative something x to the third. So that's got to be my leading coefficient. So does this give me a leading coefficient of negative something x to the third? No, you're positive, which looks like that. Does this give me a leading coefficient of negative something x to the third? Yup. Does this give me a leading coefficient of negative? No, that's x to the fourth. That's going to look more like the w. And this is a negative x to the fourth, an upside down w. No, no, no. B, baby. B is for baby.